An American firm, Kentegra Biotechnology, is constructing an ultra-modern pyrethrum processing plant in Naivasha that is expected to create about 600 direct jobs. Once complete, the factory will have capacity to process 700,000 tons of pyrethrum.
Pyrethrum farmers in Nakuru County have a reason to smile after a U.S. firm committed 1.6 billion shillings for construction of a processing plant. This emerged during the groundbreaking ceremony of the Kentegra processing plant in Naivasha, with projections that it will support over 90,000 small-scale farmers. U.S. Ambassador to Kenya Meg Whitman noted that her government was keen on supporting Kenya's industrialization.
The factory that we are breaking ground on today will support roughly 90,000 smallholder farmers spread across many counties. Let me say that again, 90,000 smallholder farmers. Simply amazing. And that support means better livelihoods, greater economic prosperity, and more positive stories like John's and the ones we heard just moments ago.
Nakuru County government plans to drastically increase land under pyrethrum from the current 7,000 acres to address the growing demand for the cash crop.
The government and other stakeholders have distributed more than 66 million seedlings to farmers since 2017. And more than 7,000 farmers have benefited in this county. So we are really going to upscale that so that we can make sure we get, at least in this year to next year, to at least 10,000 farmers and then go from there.
Nakuru County government further plans to build the capacity of those in the pyrethrum value chain, offer extension services, and ensure timely payment to farmers.
To turn the tide and place pyrethrum farming on an upward trajectory, in collaboration with our other players and mainly here Kentegra, Your Excellency Ambassador, we have provided seedlings to farmers and sought to build capacity in good agricultural activities to promote production. We are promoting contract farmers between farmers and processors, Kentegra, such as Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya, PPCK, Afrochem, Botanicals, and others to ensure timely payment of farmers and extension services.
Truly redeem a value chain, we need to start with the farmers. We engage our farmers as partners. It has to work for them and it has to work for the factory. For farmers to take up the crop, as you heard, they need to know that there's a market, they need to know that they're going to be paid, and they have to be supported to be successful.
The locally grown pyrethrum, which has been researched and developed in partnership with the University of Eldoret, is drought resistant and blooms all year round. Ndutamo Kami for Lunchtime News.